Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily and securely delete all the cloud wraps in Telegram on your iPhone. Telegram's cloud wraps feature is great for syncing unfinished messages across devices, but over time it can get cluttered, especially if you switch chats often on your iOS device. These saved drafts may show up unexpectedly when you reopen conversations, making your chat list feel messy and harder to manage. Knowing how to delete cloud drafts helps you keep your Telegram interface clean, organized, and focused only on active conversations. That's it. Let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the Telegram app on your iPhone, and then you have to hit the settings icon located at the bottom. After that, choose privacy and security option. Then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose data settings option. And then you have to hit delete all cloud drafts option and confirm it when prompted, and that's about it. Deleting cloud drafts on Telegram for iPhone is a quick way to declutter your chats and regain control over your messaging space. Once removed, the drafts disappear across all your sync devices, giving you a cleaner and more streamlined experience. So make it a habit to clear unused drafts occasionally, and Telegram will feel faster, steadier, and far less distracting. Now that you have unlocked this pretty handy feature, make the most of it to keep the clutter at a fair distance and also spice up your telegramming experience. And I'll catch you up in the next one.